welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I thought it would be really fun to take you guys along with me as I get ready for a wedding tonight. I'm gonna make this really casual and laid back. I'm gonna just talk through my makeup and show you guys like what I'm doing. Also, I thought it would be really nice to show you guys how I do my hijab style for Desi clothes, because a lot of you guys always ask me how I wear like earrings or hoops with my hijab, so I'm going to do that tutorial in here as well. I'm going to go ahead and get undressed from this. Also, I'm going to take off my makeup because I've had this on all day, and I'm going to redo my base, and then I'll see you guys after that. Okay, so I'm back and I have foundation all over my face. So what I used for my face is actually a concealer. So I used the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum all over my face, and I like to do foundation without my hijab on because it is my biggest pet peeve to have like foundation on my hijab. I hate how that looks. It gives me like chills inside, so I had to do that off camera. Anyways, moving on. So I haven't concealed yet, so I'm going to use the same concealer but in a different shade. I'm using a lighter shade. This shade is Blondie. I'm going to put that under my eye, and I'm just using the viewfinder to put my makeup on. And I'm gonna have to do this pretty quick because I'm getting late, so sorry if this is not the most professional makeup tutorial you've ever seen. So put that under my face, and then I normally just blend it out using my same foundation brush. This is the Sonia Kashuk brush, and I got it from Target a really long time ago, and I actually love the way it applies makeup. It's super dense, so it does pack it on. So if you don't like heavy makeup, you're probably not gonna like this. Use a beauty blender if you like lighter makeup, but I think for parties it's fine, and also for like every day I find this so much quicker than a beauty blender. I don't know why. I know people like swear by beauty blenders. I used to use a beauty blender all the time, and then I got over it. Okay, so I'm just grabbing a mirror so I can actually be decent and do this properly. This is what that looks like on. Moving on, I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm gonna hope that I don't get this on my hijab. So I'm using the Becca bronzer in Sunset Waves. This is actually like almost completely gone. I'm gonna just put that there. Okay, and then I always bring this on my forehead as well, just so it looks cohesive and blended out. And a little down the bridge of my nose, and that's pretty much it. Okay, that's done. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. Normally I use the Anastasia Brow Dip Duo. It's like a powder, and I like to fill that in, and it's super natural and looks really good. But I dropped it the other day and it shattered, so I don't have that. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. And I'm using an angled brush from MAC, and I think, oh, it wore off, so I don't know what brush this is. So I'm going to lightly fill in my brows. I normally don't fill it in a lot. I just kind of go over kind of like the top, I like trace like the top line, and then a little in the front, and I feel like that makes the biggest difference. So I'm doing that, and that's what my brows look like. Next, I'm gonna go in with a shadow. So what I do on an everyday basis is just take that bronzer and put it in my crease, and I'm actually gonna do that for today as well. Only because I don't want to do heavy shadow. I plan on just putting some lashes on, and that's going to be like my glam look. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just dust this on my eyelids. And what I like to do is I kind of extend it out. I feel like that makes it look really good. It complements like my current eye shape, if that makes any sense. It makes it look more almondy. And then I also bring some down on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, what should we do next? I am though gonna be extra. I'm gonna take a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna put some shadow at the bottom lash line. I want this to look smoky but natural. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna just kind of do that on my bottom lash line. And I feel like that makes a lot of a difference. Like, it makes a huge difference. Moving on, I'm gonna take my highlighter and that same brush that I was using because I'm not professional, and I'm just gonna put some in my crease, or not my crease, sorry, my inner corner, just to make me look awake and bright. And also I'm gonna use this highlighter like on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow, so it'll just look really cohesive. And then I also like to put some under my brow bone just to lift my eyebrow a little. So that's that. And I'm gonna find my highlighter brush. This is just from Sephora. I'm gonna put this on the bridge of my nose, my forehead a little, my cupid's bow, and that's pretty much it. Sorry that I keep fixing my hijab. Like, I did it such a poor hijab style that it keeps falling out. But anyways, that's what I look like so far. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. This is where it gets so tricky because this could make it or break it. You guys know the drill. Lashes look so good, but if you do it wrong, it looks so bad. I hate, like, I hate being that girl where you look at her and you're like, oh, your lashes are falling out. That's always me, every time. So, pray for me, guys. I'm using Demi Wispies by Ardell, and I'm gonna put some glue on it, and then I'm gonna let it get tacky before I put it on my eye. Alright, one fill, put the glue on my on my lid. Okay, I'm gonna put on the other lash. Okay, I don't think I did a terrible job, but I didn't do the best job. So I'm gonna wait for those to dry, then I'm gonna put on a coat of mascara, and then I'm gonna line my top lash line with black eyeliner so that glue goes away. But while that dries up, I'm gonna quickly do my lips, which is my favorite part. I feel like it really pulls the look together. I'm gonna start off using Huda Beauty in Trendsetter all over my lips. Whoa, I look like a Halloween character. Okay, and then I'm gonna top it off with Mauve It Over matte lipstick by Revlon. This is just a really good nude, and it's gonna like basically tone this down. And I have no idea why on camera this is coming out like a brick red, because in real life it's like a mauve something, but the coloring is off. Okay, so that kind of like toned it down. And then I'm going to top it off with a gloss. I think gloss is so pretty right now. So I'm just using NYX Butter Gloss, and I'm going to put that just in the middle. I don't like the way gloss looks when it's all over the lips. I feel like it looks too much. I'm basically done. This is the finished look. Oh my god, was I not in focus this entire time? So this is what it looks like. I think it looked really pretty, super natural with just like dramatic lashes, and I think it's gonna look really pretty with like earrings and a proper hijab. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna do this completely at the end, like after I'm done changing and everything. So that's pretty much it. I know this wasn't like the best makeup tutorial and it wasn't like full glam, but I just wanted to be like really comfortable and look like myself. So this is like my everyday makeup with just some lashes and some highlighter, because I don't wear highlighter every day. So this is the look. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off because I'm burning up, and take off my hijab and do my nails, and then I'm gonna show you guys what this entire look looks like with my makeup and with my hijab on at the very end. So I'm gonna quickly paint my nails. I'm gonna use the Orly Breathable Polish in the shade, it's called Pamper Me. I love this polish. It's the prettiest like baby pink polish ever. And I do use 2 coats of this. That's why I'm not sure if I can pray in it. So I don't usually pray with this on. I'll make sure I pray before, and after I'll take it off and then pray. So just keep that in mind. I do use 2 coats because I like it really opaque. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly paint my nails. If you guys are interested in this polish, I'll link it down below, and then I'll see you guys when I'm done. This is what it ended up looking like with 2 coats. I definitely think 2 coats is the way to go. It's so pretty. It's really opaque, and it's like the most pretty neutral baby pink shade. So I love that. Okay, so I'm going to do my hijab now, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. So I already have like a underscarf tied on my head. So this is actually like a really lightweight small jersey hijab that I cut up so I can pair it under my shimmer hijabs, because these hijabs are so pretty, but they're very transparent, and then they also move around a lot, so you need something underneath to keep it in place. So what I'm going to do is put the hijab on, normally one short side and one long side, and I'm going to bring it forward. And at this point I'm going to go ahead and put my earrings on. So I have these really pretty sparkly earrings, and I'm gonna pop them in. So once I have my earrings on, I'm gonna just take the hijab and just frame my face with it, then take the long side and throw it over my shoulder, and then the short side I normally just tuck it inside, depending on if I have like any like work up here or detailing. I'll tuck it in. If not, I'll just kind of throw it back here. And pretty much that is all. It's like really simple, but everyone always asks me how I do my hijab style for weddings, and it's really easy. I literally just kind of throw it on. What I do sometimes is pin it down here so it doesn't like fall all the time. So I'm gonna pin it now. Also take a pin and pin the top of my head so it doesn't move from the top either. This is definitely optional, but it does help a lot. And then I'm going to take a long one and just pin it on my shoulder. And be careful when you give people hugs, because sometimes it can poke out and really stab someone. I've done that so many times. So this is pretty much the final look. I think it turned out really pretty. Last finishing touches. I'm going to take my Gucci Bloom. I love this perfume, and I'm going to just spritz it on everywhere. And that's pretty much it. I think it ended up looking really pretty. It was quick, natural, everyday type of makeup with lashes. So this is the final look. I really wished I had the long mirror in my room right now, but I'm just not in the mood to go get it from my sister's room. So I have this outfit on, which I love. I wore this outfit to death, like I told you guys. The pants are so cute, and I just have on some gold Zara heels, and then I have on a beige hijab. The beige hijab kind of doesn't go. I normally wear a taupe hijab with this, and I can't find it, so it's okay, it'll work. And I just have this really pretty clutch, and then these are my heels. I really like the detail on the pants. So this is pretty much it. Hi guys, so I'm in the car now with my friends. Hello.
Hi.
Want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, I'm Eamon. You can follow me on Instagram at sorry, I'm new to this. Eamon.muah. I'm Jasper's best friend.
Yeah, and she recently just started doing fashion posts, so she used to be like just a makeup artist, and now she's doing fashion too. And then we have my travel buddy back there.
Hello, my followers.
We haven't gone on a vacation in a really long time, but hopefully soon. And yeah, we're really excited. We're on our way. We thought we were late, but we're not, because our friend actually texted us and told us a different timing because he knew we would be super late, and he only told her the real timing, so now we're on time. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to vlog once I get there, but if I get too shy, then I won't.